Congestion in Ghana's prison has been attributed to delay in the prosecution system due to evidence gathering for justice delivery at the courts. The northern, northeast, and savannah regions can only boast of one lawyer assisting the commission. In view of this, human rights activists have called for a review of the justice delivery system in the legal representation of criminals or suspects for a fair trial and full implementation of case tracking system in the rural communities.
So far, engaging communities has heavily dwelt on letting them understanding their rights, letting them understand the channels that are there, letting them understand how easy it is, how accessible these channels are. So we believe that once communities get to understand all of these, understand what is at stake, understand that when crimes are committed, they are supposed to be punished, or else perpetrators develop this impunity, this thing around impunity. Once communities understand that systems are there, the systems have been laid down to make things easy for them, then I believe that they take it up. So the sensitization generally will be around getting them to understand the system, understand how it works.
Because once the central system, let's say if a case is reported in Boli, once the community person knows that once my case is reported in Boli, everybody's watching it in the country, it becomes itself a resolution. The police or the local level system can no more massage it. The courts in that system also can no more also do whatever they want to do. So people will have a lot of confidence in that case. They know that everybody's watching, and it will no more be like one political person, one traditional person, one influential person, one assemblyman has come and taken the case out, we go and resolve it against somebody's will. So for me, if it works in the rural areas, it will be one of the best of satisfaction for the people.
The rule of law specialist with the Legal Resources Center, Enock Jengre, has called on government to resource the Legal Aid Commission with legal personnel to enhance the justice delivery.
Across the country, we have only 35 lawyers working for the Legal Aid Commission. You realize, as of June 2021, we had 3,213 lawyers across the country who are actually working across the country. But we have only 35 lawyers for the Legal Aid Commission. This is a government-sponsored institution with a mandate to offer legal support services to the citizenry. In the whole of Northern region here, as you can realize, Northern region, Savannah region, and Northeast region, 3 regions, we have only 1 lawyer working for the Legal Aid Commission. This is really a challenge. You can imagine the population of this particular region. So we are actually calling on the government to ensure that they actually build, on the kind of resource the institution like Legal Aid Commission, they provide any necessary support services. They get more lawyers to help our people, because the issue is the vulnerability of the people when they need legal services, and these legal services are not immediately and readily available. They may want to take the law into their own hands. They may not want to even use the valid and appropriate forum to actually solve their grievances. They may want to use mob injustice. They may want to resort to anything illegal to ensure that they get justice. And that is what this particular activity vehemently fights against. And we call on every stakeholder, we call on the government and every institution that has the mandate to ensure that the vulnerable actually get legal support services.
Daphne Lariba-Nabila, the chief of party for Legal Resources Center, urged the security services in the country to use the portal to enhance the case monitoring.